You can use lemon if you want. Lemon, lime, it doesn't matter. Use what you have. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on where you are watching me from. You're welcome to Share with Love TV. Guys, I just finished working out and I want to make a smoothie. Okay, this smoothie is going to serve as a breakfast for me. Okay, yeah, I have frozen pineapples. I have one lime. I have a cucumber. Then I have a carrot. Okay, and ginger. That's what I will be using for this smoothie. I've already washed everything. Right now I'm just going to blend everything together. Okay, I'm just going to blend everything together and let's drink. All right guys, and also I have my blender and water. Okay, I will be adding water to blend it. Okay, I have my ginger. I love fresh ginger. I like chewing my ginger. Okay, let me get. You can use lemon if you want. Lemon, lime, it doesn't matter. Use what you have. Then I'll add water. And cover it, I'll blend. All right, all done. Now I'm just going to get my cup. Look at that, so creamy. I don't think, let me see, do I need a straw? Because it's so thick, I can just drink it like that. Cheers guys, my breakfast is ready. Oh. I like the way it's very thick. It will make me full for like about 2 to 3 hours before I'll eat my next meal. Okay, if you don't want to eat every meal, you can use this as a substitute. Okay, just blend your fruit and vegetable and you are good to go. Thank you all for watching. I just want to say thank you so much, my new followers. I appreciate every one of you. keep supporting me, okay? Keep liking my video and keep sharing my video. I love you guys. I'll see you all in my next one. Stay safe and stay blessed, and remember, do what makes you happy. Bye guys. Bye.